Hey everybody, welcome to week 1 of 531. In the welcome video, I did go over a lot with respect to the organization of assignments and materials, but let's talk specifically about week 1. We're really answering this question here: what is a connected educator? So like I said in the welcome video, you're going to be journaling, and let's put this right up here. Responding to a discussion board post, and like in other classes, that initial post by you is going to be due this Thursday, May 10th by 11:59 p.m. And we'd like you to respond to at least 2 other classmates thoughtfully by Sunday, May 13th at 11:59 p.m. But this first assignment, you can read about these the journal rubrics and process on your own. But this first assignment is one I really want to focus in on because it's really going to set the stage for everything we're going to do later. So in this first assignment, you are going to do the following. So first, you're going to join at least 3 social networks. Okay, and I'd like you to stay away from Facebook or Pinterest at all possible. But if you are part of them and you rarely use them, you can go ahead and use those. And the goal in each of these is to try and lurk around and connect with 50 people in your field. So I'm a chemistry, robotics, and what else do I teach? Biology teacher and an education professor. So I'm going to try and connect with people there. And I'd like you to one of them to be Twitter. Get on Twitter, okay? Another great one where a lot more education is happening with respect to visual storytelling specifically is Instagram. See here, I have my own personal Instagram site just for my classes. I'm posting images with brief little headings about what we're doing, for example, medical case studies in freshman biology. So Twitter is a great one for quick information. For example, I can look here and learn about how general educators can get more out of IEP meetings. Here I can post visual stories on Instagram and LinkedIn. I'm sure you guys get a ton of LinkedIn announcements, but if you're not on it, it's a great place to start developing networks of other people in your field, perhaps who are looking for jobs or announcing jobs that they've gotten, to help connect you to where people's institutions are located. So again, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are 3 suggestions I really have to get started here. Once you do that, what you're going to do is submit in Blackboard a screenshot of each network. Now, when we're in Blackboard submitting these, we want them in the form of a PDF. So let me show you how to do that. So the first thing I would do is I would open up Google Drive, hit New, go to Google Docs, hit Blank Document. Okay. And here I can just say week 1 assignment screenshots. Now we want them in a PDF so that later on at Concordia, we have a record of your work. So the first thing you want to do is you want to show that you've connected with at least 50 other people somehow. And let's see in these instructions. In the rubric, showing that you have joined them. And we really don't want 3 specific Facebook groups, 3 different sites. We want to show you want to connect with at least 50 people on each social network. So take a screenshot of each network that shows how many connections you have made. So this can be in the form of liking something, indicating that you've liked a certain number of posts on Facebook or on Twitter. But here I could just take a screenshot. And if you've never taken a screenshot on a Mac, I hit Command-Shift-4 at the same time, and I get this little target head here. And I'm just going to drag over that area right here. And this shows that I've connected with at least 50 people. I'm now going to go over here to Instagram, Command-Shift-4. And this screenshot shows that I've connected with at least 50 people there. And here I'm going to go to my LinkedIn, Command-Shift-4. And this shows that I've connected with at least 50 people there. Where are those? Well, those got dropped right onto my desktop. Right here. So I'm simply going to drag those in. Now I have all of those screenshots in one document. I'm going to say File, Download as PDF. So now a PDF has been downloaded to my downloads, or to in my case, my desktop, which has my screenshots indicating that I have at least 50 connections on Twitter, 50 connections on LinkedIn, and 50 connections on Instagram. Again, you can get creative with how you do that. Please email me if you have any questions about this. So that's really the deal with this first assignment. And again, other suggested networks for you. YouTube's a great network. Other wikis. We talked about LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram here. So I hope you have a great first week. Please reach out to me. Please connect with me. And really, let's try and embody the title of this